Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and connection. Charge both earbuds to full and enable Bluetooth on your source device. Once done, open the Beats app or the device Bluetooth menu so you can see firmware and pairing status. Make sure you have the right ear tips installed before pairing. Fit matters for bass and call clarity. Pair the case with your device by holding the system button until the LED flashes, then select Powerbeats Pro in Bluetooth. This gives you control and visibility for the next adjustments. Now focus on fit and acoustic tuning. You should try each ear tip size and use the twist and lock insertion. This secures the ear hook and improves bass response. Once physically stable, play a familiar track and make incremental EQ adjustments in the Beats app or phone settings. Increase or decrease bass and treble in small steps to avoid distortion. Also test microphone position for calls. If you hear imbalance, swap tips or reseat the buds. Accurate fit directly affects perceived volume and isolation, so finish by validating adjustments across real scenarios. Make a call, listen to podcasts, and play dynamic music at multiple volumes so you can hear how changes hold up. Once satisfied, ensure firmware is up to date. Updates fix stability and audio issues. If you encounter problems, dropouts, imbalance, or one bud not working, perform a factory reset. Hold the case button until LED flashes, then repair. That single troubleshooting tip, reset and repair after updates, resolves most persistent connectivity and audio anomaly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.